Ever wanted your own action figure without needing Hollywood or a 3D printer? Thanks to AI, it's not just possible, it's ridiculously fun. Let me show you how to make your mini-me a reality. Today I'm in Piclumen and I'm ready to try another experiment using this AI art generator, completely for free. I want to see if this art generator can make AI action figures. So what I'm gonna do first is come here and click on Generate. And here we go. I have already pasted in my prompt, and it's the same one I used to create this image here in ChatGPT. It's a very long prompt. Next, I'll come down here because I clicked on the prompt helper up here. I'm gonna go to image reference and I'll upload an image, this one here. Okay, so there's my picture, here is my prompt, and now I'll work my way across the top. So there's the prompt helper, that's where I'm at right now. Next, I'll choose the model. I'm just gonna go with the Piclumen here. Pick the aspect ratio. I'll use 16:9. Then click on Go. Piclumen will make a couple of these for free, so let's see what it gives us. Best of all, it is pretty fast, especially when compared to ChatGPT. Wow, that is really cool. So it's not exactly the same lady that I uploaded a picture of, but it's a similar style. All right, let's look at the other one, and it's also very good. I like how it's sitting beside the lamp there, and the box is very different. The laptop's in it, camera, I don't know what these are, but some kind of tools, I think. But overall, a very AI techie kind of box. The text isn't 100% great, there are a lot of spelling errors, but you could take this inside Photoshop or even Canva and fix that easily enough. But yeah, two really good examples to start. So let's try another one. Here's the second one I'm gonna try. I made this one with ChatGPT, and it took 5 to 7 minutes to process. Now I'll take the prompt from it and add it in here. I'm going to the prompt helper, then to image reference. I'll delete this one and add my new image. My prompt goes here, and again, I'll work my way across the top. So choose a model, an aspect ratio, 2 images. So click right there. This is the actual prompt, and you can see the model, etc. And if you wanted to rerun these, you could, or you could delete them. So let's see what we got this time. All right, the Genius Gardener Digging Life. Again, the writing is not 100% great, but the image, the figure itself, and look at all these tools and plants and her hat and different gardening tools. That is excellent. I do like how they've got it, the action figure box sitting in a room on a table. Overall, it is really nice. Let's look at the other one. Again, the writing is a little off, but you could take this and fix it in Photoshop, Canva, or Photopea so fast, and it would be just perfect. This last example I'll work on is very different from the other two. It has a full plastic-looking front cover with a cardboard back. So let's try to make this in Piclumen. So I'll go back to Piclumen and go back over here. I've already copied my prompt for this in ChatGPT. Now I'll go to Prompt Helper, Image Reference, delete this image and add the new image here. Now I'll follow the same process as before. Choose a model, 2 images, 16:9, and click on that. So let's look at these last two and see what we get. Okay, these are interesting. So we got 2 boxes this time. Look at it again. The writing is not good, but definitely not what I was anticipating. So let's go look at the other one. The same thing happened here. The writing is bad. I don't know why it made these like that, but again, this is an experiment. But it is very interesting to see the different styles and how Piclumen handled this, not compared to the examples I just showed you that I made with ChatGPT. So it was definitely worth the try. Overall, I think it was a success. So come here and try this out for yourself. I'll put the prompts in the description and see what you come up with. You might be really excited about what you can do. So have fun playing with this, and I hope you have a great time making some really cool AI action figures and boxes.
If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep making it with AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.